Hey everyone! Welcome back to Retail Force Barcode tutorial. In today's video, we will discuss how to generate barcodes for your products using the Retail Force Barcode app in Shopify, along with advanced settings to fully customize your barcodes. So let's get started. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Barcode and SKU under the Retail Force Barcode app. Here, you'll see a list of your products. Go ahead and select the products for which you want to generate barcodes. Once you've selected your products, click on the Generate Barcode button at the bottom. This will open the barcode generation panel. Now let's go through the important settings. At the top, you'll see the option Auto-Generate Barcode for newly added products. Optional but recommended. If you enable this option, the app will automatically generate barcodes every time you add a new product to your store. Next, you see the option Barcode Format and Pattern. You can choose between Basic and Advanced, but for more control, select Advanced. Next is the barcode format. You'll see options like General, Default, and most commonly used, UPCA or UPCE for U.S. retail, EAN13 for international use, EAN8 for smaller products, ITF14 for packaging and shipping. For most Shopify stores, General or EAN13 works perfectly. Here, we are using EAN13. Below that, make sure the Prevent Barcode Duplicating option is enabled. This ensures that every product gets a unique barcode. Now comes the company prefix. This is a unique number assigned to your business. You need to enter a prefix that is between 6 to 12 digits. All your generated barcodes will start with this number. Now comes the option Item Reference Digits Pattern. For example, if you enter something like 0 to 9, 2, the system will generate 2 random digits from 0 to 9. These digits are used to complete your barcode after the company prefix. If you leave this field empty, the system will automatically generate the required digits for you. On the right-hand side, you'll see a summary of your selected products and variants. Below that, you'll find 2 important options. You can choose Only Create Missing Barcodes, which will generate barcodes only for products that don't already have one. Or you can select Replace All Existing Barcodes, which will overwrite any existing barcodes for the selected products. Once everything is set up, don't forget to click the Save button at the top if you've made any changes. Finally, click on Generate Barcodes to apply the settings and create barcodes for your selected products. Once you start generating barcodes, a progress pop-up will appear on your screen. This gives you a clear indication that your barcodes have been generated without any issues. And that's it. Your barcodes will now be generated based on your configuration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.